Okay, you guys have 10 seconds to answer this. Actually, 5. I take it back. You could choose between. I'm kidding. I couldn't think of anything on the spot. I feel stupid. Hello, everybody. What's going on? Welcome back to part 5 of Alan Wake. I bet y'all didn't think this was going to happen. But I told you. I made that promise. And goddamn it, we're going to finish this shit. So, we'll get the fucking recap. Wait a minute. Oh, it didn't even do it? Okay. Well,
come back here.
We'll get the
I swear I'll kill you if you hurt Alice. Do you hear me?
recap while we run.
Back here.
Alright, Alan, let me speak. So,
He had Alice, and he wanted the manuscript because he thought it held some magical power.
Never mind.
But I had no manuscript to give him. I had to get back to Barry and figure out my next move.
Yeah, that's basically the gist. We met up with someone at Lover's Peak, and then it turns out it's the guy who was on the ferry in the beginning, and he kidnapped Alice, and now he wants our manuscript. So, yeah, there's that. And then that fucking whole fight on Lover's... Oh my god, that was... It was annoying, but it wasn't as hard as I thought. What the fuck? I thought that was a manuscript page! No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, what? Get fucked, get fucked. Fuck you! Alright, we gotta run. Nope. That's fucking... That's clever that they disguised them as, like, manuscript pages. Holy shit, that's a lot! Whoa, 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 whoa. God, dude, Bear Trap's fucking city. Give me back my wife! I just imagine Alan just screaming that. It kind of reminds me of, is it called Ransom with Mel Gibson? I forget, but he screams. He's screaming in the phone. He's like, "Give me back my son! Give me back my son!" If I can play a clip, I'll do it. Good movie though. There's Ransom, and then there's one other one that I can't think of. It's man, I gotta ask my brother. He'll know. He would know. So hope everybody's having a good day, whatever you're doing, wherever you are. Maybe you're in bed, maybe you're at work, maybe you're eating some din-din. But, hey, if you're eating some din-din, let me get some, because I'm kind of hungry myself! Get fucked. No, 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 no! Oh, that was cool. Alan's got the moves. Back off! Back off, Grim Reaper. I ain't done living yet. Come here, bitch. Reload, 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 reload. Nice. Alright, let's go. Barry! Barry, you annoying piece of shit. Like Joe Pesci if he was taller and more annoying. But Joe Pesci's the man. What the fuck? Yeah. Whoa! No, no, no. Oh my god. I just wish Alan had more stamina, or better stamina. He runs like a bitch! That was my fault. I didn't see that. I feel like an idiot. Alright. Oh, I'm not even going the right direction. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry. I wonder if it's like... I mean, I'm sure it's cold, but I wonder what the weather's like. And also windy as hell, but it probably feels nice. I don't know. Probably to the one not going through it, but... Who's walking? Oh! Oh! We got a big bitch again. We got a big bitch. Come here, motherfucker. Gimme. Gimme. I'm gonna tickle your taint. I love the ragdoll physics in these. It's so good. They just get shot. They just. Hey. Oh. Wow, man. I'm actually kind of pissed I didn't get those two. Damn. Whatever. Whatever. Oh, it's a rifle. Cool. ammo or nothing.
The night had been one desperate situation after another. I was exhausted, and my body felt as though it had been chewed up and spat out. The flashlight was heavy in my hand, and each pull of the trigger sent a painful shock up my arm. But I was finally out of the woods, and things were looking up. That's when I heard the chainsaw.
What? Oh, that's scary, but it also sounds kind of cool, like some like Leatherface shit. Also, it's like, yeah, it reminds me mainly of the scene in the original when Sally and Franklin are walking through the woods trying to find Kurt and everybody, and it's all nighttime, and then Franklin's like, Sally, I hear something, stop, and then it's that close-up shot of Leatherface coming out revving his chainsaw. It's like,
Sally, I hear something. Stop.
but yeah, no, I love that scene because it always makes me think it's like, I know it's the chainsaw making that sound, but I always like to think it's Leatherface's like fucking roar. Like he's just like screaming at him or whatever. Hey. Yeah, I love Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the original. The original one's it's definitely my top 5 favorite horror movies. If not horror, then just slasher, because I love slasher movies. Oh. Oh no! Don't waste. Come on, pussy. Oh! My god, fucking terrible aim. Ooh, holy shit. But yeah, no, I love the original Texas Chainsaw. It seems like something, it's such a basic premise. It's something that could legitimately happen, you know? Well, I mean, minus the whole, hey, we're just gonna open your fucking door and just walk into your fucking house without, you know, I mean, granted they knocked, but still, they just fucking opened the door and just walked right in. So what, they heard something, but that doesn't mean, oh my god, go! Oh my god, Alan, please, for the love of God, get to the light! But yeah, it's you don't just do, I mean, especially nowadays, like holy shit. I forget what serial killer it was, but I always make an example of this. It's this guy, he would go around like to houses, different houses like at night, and he would try the doors, and if they were locked, he took it as like, oh, he's not welcome. But if it was unlocked, he took it as an invitation. He's like, oh, cool, I'm allowed in my house. And he would go and kill everybody in the fucking house. Ooh! Oh my god. I'm dead. Son of a bitch. But yeah, so, pro tip. Always lock your fucking doors. Unless you want some motherfucker coming in and, like, eating you. Alright, let's get up. It's a rusted ladder. Hopefully we don't fuck this up, or hopefully I don't fuck this up again. Ah, there we go. Ouch. Alright, where are we? It's the top of the mill. Ooh. Ow! What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What is that shit? Was this like a fucking SCP? Containment breach? Is it like, fucking guy that just morphs up through the floor and like it's almost impossible to get rid of? Oh my god. What the hell is this shit? What the fuck? This is weird. Or it's like that fucking tar puddle from Creepshow 2 that's in the fucking lake. Yikes. Gross. Something is supposed to be on here. Ah! Wait, what's in here, though? 'Cause I feel like maybe we're supposed to go up that way, so just want to quick exploration. You never know, we might find a manuscript page. You never. See, what did I tell you? What the fuck did I tell you? Oh wait, what is it, huh?
The logging site was a mess. The modular office had been...
What the fuck are these? Where are these? Are you? We literally just got this, and now we're here. What happened between then and now? Whatever. God damn it. Alright. Bing bong. Holy shit. Ah, I see.
When Barry saw the darkness attack the visitor center, it made him a believer. The men Al said he'd shot, they hadn't been just locals on crank. Somehow the world had changed. Like the channel had been switched without warning. You think you're watching a sitcom, and you're really watching a horror show. When the birds started attacking the cabin, Barry wasn't surprised, just terrified.
Horror show like that final episode of Chucky? Dude, holy shit. I know nobody's gonna watch it, so I don't fucking care if I spoil it. Well, shit. People in my house haven't. Actually, wait, no, nobody's here. Never mind. Fucking, yeah, dude. Tiff coming in at the end when Andy's driving the van. That was so fucking cool. And it was actually funny because, what is it? Me and my ex, we were watching it and, talking about it shit. And it was like, hey, wouldn't that be fucking crazy? And actually pretty cool if like the second season was just Tiff. Because Chucky got fucked up. Where am I going? I'm just talking and walking around and being an idiot. But yeah, it's like, yeah, just kind of have her be the premise of it, and have Chucky in there too, I guess. But reach the top of the milk, dude. What the fuck? Oh. But yeah, it's like have her, like kind of follow her story and stuff, and I guess maybe that's what they're gonna do. Glenda, I could give two fucks because I mean, Glenda, whatever the fuck you want to call them, is a fucking dumbass character. Honestly, I think Seed of Chucky was the fucking worst one. Like, I don't even know why Don Mancini wanted to do it. I think that he wanted to just make it more funny, but I don't know. I think it's dumb. Anyway. But the show, good golly, Miss Molly, that shit was a fucking 10 out of 10. Brutality, story, characters, everything. Even the soundtrack was cool. They had a lot of good songs. What? The darkness. Whoa! Backflip later. That was great. Oh yeah, and also Junior dying, man. That sucked. But I mean, I don't know. I guess it kind of makes, people do have to go. And Kyle too. That pissed me off. It was so cool that they brought her back, and then they're just like, "No, sorry, we're gonna kill you off." Then again, they never specifically said she died, even though they just said, "Oh, explosion." Ah, yes, a hunting rifle for my hunting rifle. Once again, just like the revolver for my revolver. Yes. Alright, make it through the woods. Over the river and through the woods to Barry's house we go. I hope Max is okay. The puppy is my friend. I just want to take him home and nurse him back to health. Whoa, shit. What up, bitch? Come here. I'm right here. Come on. Come on! What? Oh, woohoo! Ah, get the flare, get the flare, get the flare, get the flare, get the flare. Come here. Yeah, come here, bitch. I'm coming after you first. They just fucking, their knees just go all inverted. It's so funny. It's so good. Ow! Ah, they're weak need. Just like myself. No, no I'm just kidding. No, they never drop anything. What the fuck am I going back there for? I think I'm having deja vu. Oh, this. Never mind. Yeah, wait. It's just. I just want to check one more time. Just to finally like end the Yeah, no, not at all. Yeah, you want to remaster the game? Yeah, you want to remaster our paychecks? No, the fuck I do not. Energizer, you can lick my balls. How about you pay us? Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Oh, there's a chainsaw. Oh, no. Resident Evil 4 lumberjack ass. Give me the rifle. Come on! Yeah, boy. You suck on these. Shut up, phone. Alright, campgrounds. See, I don't like this. It's giving me... who's behind here? Okay. No, manuscript page? What a rip. Campgrounds. God damn, man. Like, surviving all of this and getting out of it alive, I don't know if he saves Allison. I would hope so. Oh, cool. Checkpoint. Fuck yeah. So at least if I die, no, I won't have to go back that far. Yes, Barry.
Barry? Ow! The porch is covered with birds. They've got all Hitchcock on me.
I love these fucking references, man. They're so good. They are fucking... They give me life.
Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Woo! Oh! Hey, Wawa's giving away free shorties. Hell yeah.
I still had to reach Barry at the cabin, but at least I was out of the woods.
Bro, you ain't out of the woods. You're in a fucking trailer park that's in the fucking woods. I don't know. I guess granted, yeah, you're around. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this would be a lot better. Wait, is this the mission where we can finally drive? Can I go in here real quick? Are these just bathrooms? Yo, can I wear the hat? Oh.
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own. You can create it, shape it, but as the story grows, it starts wanting things of its own. Change one thing and you set off a chain reaction of events that spreads through the whole thing. The characters have to be true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies. Alice dies.
Whoa. He's writing it as it goes. Whoa, whoa. Nope, nope. What the fuck is... Hey, asshole. Yeah, where you at, pussy? The nerve of some people. You're just trying to get back to your friend. You're trying to find your wife. And they're like, nah, man, fuck you. You ain't doing shit. Not on my watch, bud. What the God damn. You all heard that, right? Alright, I'm getting the fuck out of here. This is creeping me out. Wait, there's gotta be some manuscript pages around here. Probably not, but I don't care. I'm still gonna look for them anyway. Whether you choose to join me is up to you. I'm just joking. Oh, are these those what do they call them? Streamliners or whatever? They made them round so they'd be more like aerodynamic. They'd be faster, which is pretty. It's kind of cool if you think about it. Because instead of having your basic, you have your space shuttle, which is pretty freaking cool. And then you got this from like, I don't even know. I've never actually been in a trailer or at a trailer park. I've known people who like live there or like have friends that have been there, but oh wait, no, I actually have been in a mobile home. Never mind. And I was I think it was like 2 years ago. Yeah, almost 2 years ago. Let's fucking drive. Wait. Let's fucking drive. Alright, let's see how this improved. Because this I actually do kind of remember. Oh, this is shit. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Maybe I'm just bad. Oh, I can light them up and then I can hit them. Oh my god, this is bad. Whoa! I'm so sorry that this is wow, this is like laggy as shit. It's not only like that for you, it's like that for me as well. Nope, wrong way. Wait, this way? Fucker! Oh my god, dude, this is ass. What the fuck? Oh, I can't get out? Alan, I didn't say get out of the fucking truck. Alan, I said get the fuck out of the truck. Is there any beer in there? Whoa. What is that? Oh. What is that? Flag on. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
The best weapon I could imagine against the dark things I was facing.
Yeah, we finally got it after having it only one other time. Oh. You know what? Can I group y'all together? Can I get y'all together? There we go. Beautiful. Let's get the fuck out of here.
It was the kidnapper.
You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
Give me back my wife!
Wake. You deliver the manuscript, and you can have your woman back. Simple as that.
I don't... Listen. Listen. I'm gonna need time to finish it. I still need to write the ending. I need a week.
Not done?
I need a week.
Yeah, this guy's clearly not a writer. I'm not a writer either, but apparently it's really difficult.
Find it easy, city boy. The main building, there at noon. You bring the manuscript, you'll get your wife. Not, well, get me?
Yes, I get you.
Yes, Enrique, okay, I get you.
We talked about birds over the phone.
Oh, shit. Wait. Wait a minute. Barry's voice. I'm not going to say anything yet because I want to hear it again. Again, a flare gun for my flare gun. Woo! Best shit ever. Oh no! It's the spirit of Brandon Lee. I thought it was Vinny Gognitti from fucking from fucking Max Payne. Get in the fucking. What? Oh, I gotta kill the. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh my god, this shit is so... Sorry I'm not talking, I'm just like really fucking into this right now. Shit. No, no, no. Oh my god, I'm low on batteries. Fuck. Fuck you, birds.
You can open the door now. They're gone.
Oh my god. Jesus, man. That felt like an eternity.
Al, I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic episode, man.
I wanted to try and shoot him.
I sent Barry to the town
Damn,
and asked
that
him
was
if I
crazy.
knew fitting the kidnapper's description. He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he could learn something. Anything about the island and the cabin that had disappeared. The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back.
Bradley Cooper. You better be careful what you write, man, because that shit's probably going to come to life.
For me, the supernatural had always been nothing but a metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. Now, it was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
Looks like the cabin in the woods. Or, no, Evil Dead cabin. Sorry. Barry, fuck you.
Barry Wheeler speaking.
This is Rose.
Rose?
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet,
Wait a minute.
brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside the town.
We'll be there in less than an hour. See you soon.
Ooh. Why does she sound...
Have a great day. Hope you come back soon. Welcome to the old dear diner.
Oh, fuck. You old bitch! I will kill you in your sleep. Holy shit. Oh, what is this, like a American Horror Story? It's kind of, I don't know why, but this part right here kind of reminds me of Life is Strange. Yeah, that's cool. All right, hell yeah. That is the end of episode. All right, hold on. Let me get out of here real quick because this is probably gonna get me copyright. I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. Okay. But yeah, so that's the end of that. It's the end of episode 2, I guess. I'm gonna cut it off here. But I'll probably record another one after this. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you watched, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Why not? If you like horror movies and all things related to horror weirdness. Yeah, again, like I said, thank you for watching. And always, and as always, see you on the other side.